Hello everyone, welcome to Ganit Academy. In this video, let us study about the rational numbers. It is the chapter 1. So, you already know about natural numbers, whole numbers, also about the integers. In class 7, you have already studied about integers, right? So, now after that, we will be studying about the rational numbers now. So, you know natural numbers, that is the set of natural numbers which is represented by the capital N. So, it consists of counting numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, that is still infinity. Okay, so these are the counting numbers. Nothing but the positive numbers are considered as the set of natural numbers. And you know whole numbers, it is denoted by capital W. Okay, that is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. So this includes 0 along with the natural numbers. Okay, and then comes integers, which is denoted by capital Z, that is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is from minus infinity till infinity. So now what is the difference here? You can see from 0, this is the set of whole numbers, right? And along with this whole numbers, I have included the negative numbers. So this forms the set of integers. So in mathematics, like you have come across various equations like 2 plus x, that is equal to 5. 2 plus x is equal to 5, and now we have to find the value of x. So x is nothing but, so if you add something to 2, you will get 5. So what is that number? That is obviously x is equal to 3, right? So 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So this equation is balanced now. That means on the LHS, you have 2 plus 3, which is nothing but 5, and in the RHS, you have 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. That means this equation is right. Okay, so here what happens? X is equal to 3. So this is nothing but a natural number, right? If we consider the set of natural numbers and x is equal to 3, yes, this is right. This is the solution of this particular equation. But if I consider 3 plus x is equal to 3. Okay, this is one equation. Now I have to find the value of x. But if I consider only the set of natural numbers, not whole numbers or integers, only the set of natural numbers, will it satisfy this equation? That is the question mark now. So to satisfy this, x should be equal to 0, right? X is equal to 0. And here, if x is equal to 0, is it a natural number? No, it is not a natural number. So, we go to the set of whole numbers. So, if you consider only the set of natural numbers, this equation is not satisfied. Okay, this is not the solution of this equation because 0 is not a natural number. But if I consider the set of whole numbers, then this is the solution of this particular equation. So x is equal to 0, that comes under the set of whole numbers. But now if I consider an equation something like this, 3 plus x, that is equal to 2. 3 plus x, that is equal to 2. If I consider only the set of whole numbers or the natural numbers, will this solution satisfy the equation? So, to satisfy this equation, we have to subtract 1 from 3. That means x is equal to -1. So, is this belonging to any whole number or natural number? No, it does not belong to whole number or the set of natural numbers. This is an integer, right? Negative number. So, that will come under this. That is set of integers. So, only if I consider the set of integers, this will satisfy this equation. Okay, but so that's why we have considered natural numbers, whole numbers, and then we have integers, which consist negative numbers along with the whole numbers. So, if I consider this equation, okay, I will consider one equation, 3x is equal to 5. So, you will come across such equations also. So, will number that is from the natural number or whole number or integer satisfy this equation, you have to check. So x cannot be 1, x cannot be 2, x cannot be 0, x cannot be -1, -2 or any other thing. So it does not belongs to this set. So from this what I can write? I can take x and I will bring this towards this. So this is multiplication. So when it comes to RHS, that becomes division. So 5 divided by 3. X is equal to 5 divided by 3. So this does not belongs to, okay, it does not belongs to natural number. It does not belongs to whole number. It does not belongs to integer also. So then comes rational numbers into picture. So now 5 by 3 is nothing but a rational number. So what are these rational numbers? So rational numbers are those numbers which is in the form P by Q. P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Okay, so you can consider this now. Rational numbers are numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So these are rational numbers. So you can say 2 by 3, 5 by 2, 3 by 4, okay, even 2, 1, -3, these are also integers. You can say like, okay, 2, 1, -3, these are coming under the set of integers, then how are you calling it as rational numbers? So you may get a question mark, right? So see, 2, I can write it in the form 2 divided by 1, where 2 is an integer, 1 is also an integer. -3, I can write this as -3 divided by 1. Even 0 comes under the rational number. How? Because I can write it in the form 0 divided by 1. See, I have said Q is not equal to 0. I have not mentioned that P is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. So that is satisfied here. P divided by Q. Q is 1. Q is not 0. So 0 also comes under the rational number. Okay. So 2 by 1, -3 by 1, 0 by 1. So you can also consider this negative integers like -3 divided by 4, -3 divided by 4, 2 divided by -3. Okay. So if I take both the minus like -3 divided by -2, minus and minus it gets cancelled, right? So that becomes 3 by 2. So we can also have this. So you can write P divided by Q minus P divided by Q, P divided by minus Q, something like this. Okay. And remember, if I have minus P divided by Q, which is equal to P divided by minus Q, which is equal to minus P divided by Q. Right? Is this right? Because you can see -2 divided by 3, 2 divided by -3. So I can take minus common and then I can write 2 divided by 3. So this is right. Okay. So these are rational numbers. So P divided by Q and Q is not equal to 0. Such numbers are called as rational numbers. Okay. So even the integers comes under rational numbers. So we will study about the properties of rational numbers, like what happens when we add the integers, when we add the rational numbers. We have already studied about addition of integers. So when we add the rational numbers, subtract rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, division of the rational numbers also, but it will come in the next video.